At the We Play Here event in UP Diliman, Stel was interviewed and was asked about the Peg to Tag documentary. He was then asked about his reaction to SB19 winning the 2020 for Billboard Fan Army Face Off.
Thank you sa 18 na mga gumagawa nun. Kasi we know na bukod sa mga working fans, meron din talaga mga student pa na cannot afford na pumunta ng cinema. So, because of them, nagkakaroon ng chance yung mga katulad nila na ma-experience pa rin yung kayang ma-experience ng fans. Kasi nga, itong docu naman, it's not only, para mag-bonding sila or para kumita kami. Ito ay ginawa talaga namin para mapakita yung storya ng buong nangyari with SB19, with all the happiness, yung problems, the tours and everything. And it's also our way on giving back din. Dahil I think deserve ng 18 malaman yung story behind everything. Kasi hindi namin siya masabi in public. So sa doc yun nila malalaman.
Kasama sila doon. Ito last on my part na reaction lang, nanalo kayo kani-kanina. Fan Army Face Off ng Billboard.
Yeah, super happy. Nung una po parang sabi ko, siguro hindi na to magiging hindi na to ma-hype kasi last year nangyari na siya eh. So feeling namin hindi na siya ma-hype this year. Pero knowing 18, talagang gagawin nila lahat para lang mapakita yung love and support nila. Super thankful and super happy na nanalo ulit kami this year. Parang last year, 'di ba? And this year. Super happy. Thank you 18. Talagang number 1 kayo. Pinatunayan nyo na kayo ang dedicated fan. Isa kayo sa mga dedicated fandom dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa suporta nyo. Sana di kayo magsawa at mapagod kakakut-kut ng cellphone nyo every time na may voting. And thank you. Mahal na mahal namin kayo.